Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming you have Business Manager and admin access so you can create and manage a pixel. This prevents permission roadblocks later. Next, open Events Manager, choose data sources, and create a pixel with a clear name that matches the site or campaign. This helps reporting. Once done, install the base pixel code site-wide, either directly in the header or via Google Tag Manager, because the base captures page views and enables event triggering. Now you configure the events you actually care about. Choose standard events like purchase or add to cart so Facebook maps actions to conversions. You can add JavaScript event snippets to buttons or use the Conversions API to send server-side events for reliability. Server events reduce signal loss from ad blockers. Once done, run the Event Setup tool to auto-detect buttons and validate firing. Make sure to monitor test events in Events Manager to see. Finish by thoroughly verifying events. Use test events and diagnostics to inspect parameters like value and currency, because accurate parameters improve optimization. Next, map those events to conversions and assign them in your ad sets so Facebook knows what to optimize for. This directly impacts bidding and performance. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting. Confirm pixel code placement, parameter naming consistency, and whether browser ad blockers or missing server events are blocking signals. Then retest to confirm fixes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.